Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Here's what it looks like. Everything opened up. Gonna go in closer, look at the engine. Serviceability is very important to the Chevy family. You can get to a lot of your fluids, very easy to get to. Check your oil. This has an Allison transmission with the Duramax diesel. Everything really nice and easy to get to. It's a beautiful interior in this. All leather seats. It's got the touch controls panel there. Nice spacious cab. And talking about storage, I recently saw a video with a similar upfit like this. You can actually get more in this than you would if you just had a regular truck back end. And these compartments, they're built tough. It's got the trail saver. So hey, just another option that makes it more convenient for you. The direct-to-consumer business model, Luxe luxury fifth wheels. You can get it all here. This truck will easily pull anything that we offer. So hey, give us a call, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.